guys, we're here in Legendary Trading Campus. Of course, kasama natin ang nag-iisahan talaga. I really admire this person. Ito talagang grabe. Sobrang talagang kumbaga sa magagaling sa trading. Ito na talaga yung pinaka-the best person na talagang alam ko. And talagang sobrang dami niya natulong sa akin. Of course, hindi lang sa trading pati sa buhay di ba? Talaga sa business and also syempre sa mga how am I able to become more aware, di ba? Aware of things na talaga paano mas mai-improve ko pa yung sarili ko. So ngayon, kasama natin of course, Coach John Penetrante. Hello!
Thank you. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Ayan, si Coach John, and dinalaw tayo dito sa campus of course, and I'm really grateful na syempre napadaan siya dito galing ng Europe 2 weeks ago, galing Cebu, ngayon naman dumaan dito, di ba? Sobrang grateful ako and talagang very much honored na nandito siya ngayon. So ngayon, Coach John, syempre gusto ko makuha rin yung mga inputs and mga mo talagang gusto mong ma-share din sa mga fellow Filipinos natin na talagang gusto rin matuto ng trading. Ano ba yung mga kailangan nila i-consider muna bago sila pumasok sa trading?
Yan. Una is they must have a goal. Bakit sila papasok to begin with in trading? Kasi it will start with the proper mindset Kasi example, if titingin nila sa trading is solusyon sa kahirapan kaagad, ang end up, na-frustrate. But at the same time, kung ang goal nila sa trading is an additional source of income and probably it can replace their job, nagkakaroon ng progression. So, kailangan maayos. Ba't ba ako papasok ng trading? Is it an opportunity for me to scapegoat? Or is it an opportunity for me that I can scale one at a time and pwede ko siyang gawin hanggang retirement and can add more income to me? So, in that way, mako-consider mo, magkakaroon ka pala ng bawat stage ng pagdadaanan. Hindi ka masyashock kung may talo. Kasi trading, hindi naman always panalo yan May talo ka. So, second is take action. Kasi kung na-consider mo na yon tapos di ka nagtitake action naman, wala din. You see the opportunity, it's open, it's ready on your door, but you did not open it. It's still closed. From there on, pag pumasok ka na din, madidiscover mo na yung lahat. You have a proper mindset. Pagpasok mo na, I have a proper mindset. Where do I start? Then it will progress from where you are right now to the point kung saan mo siya gustong papunta. Yung dalawa lang yun, mindset and take action. That's it.
Yeah, in order for you to start your journey in trading, kasi if you will not take action and it is not massive, then definitely you will not be able to become successful here. Kasi ako naniniwala ako here in trading, it's not gonna be easy, but it's worth it, di ba? It's super worth it.
Sabi nga nila, yung 5 years mo na probably talo ka, pag na-graduate mo yon, makukuha mo lang siya ng isang trade or not really as one trade. Pwede, it could be a 1-month trades mo, tapos the rest, salary mo na pala yung monthly mo na nakukuha mo sa kanya. Ganun ka massive yung potential niya if you see that as a potential.
So ngayon Coach John, what can you say to other people or saying na parang, kung kumikita ka naman sa trading, bakit kailangan pa magturo?
Actually, there are two. Ako nagtuturo din naman kasi ako So, there are two costs of ba't ka magtuturo. Una, for your own growth. Sabi nga nila, there's a study na if you teach what you know, 80% nagkakaroon ng retention kagad sa'yo. Kasi pag nakinig mo lang dyan, 10% lang daw makukuha mo. Pangalawa, if you're already at the pace na nag-e-enjoy mo, nagtuturo ka, of course, it's an additional source of revenue or income from you. Oras mo yung ginagamit mo dyan Diba? Nothing's free in this world. Kailangan din makompensate yung oras mo while we're enjoying it. Ini-enjoy mo na, gumagaling ka pa kasi nagtuturo ka, then nababayaran ka for people who looks for na nakikita yung potential mo to teach. Diba? So it's not bad as long as you can add value to the person who wants your service.
So, Coach John naman, for those people naman who think na trading is like sugal, gambling, is it true?
Actually, maraming mga tanong dyan is how do you compare sugal and trading Pinagkaiba lang naman kasi dyan, sa sugal, 50-50 ka all the time. Sa trading, you can play around with probabilities. Kaya kami tinatawag na win rate. You can increase your win rate from 60%, 70%, 80%. Yun yung main difference nila. You can play around with risk. You can risk the capital. Sa sugal, 50-50
Yeah.
Diba? So, it's between trading and gambling, meron talaga siyang gray line. You just have to discover it. So, magkaiba sila.
So ngayon, Coach John, syempre we wanted to elevate your credibility and to show them na talagang you deserve to, of course, teach people what are your credentials that you can consider to show them off na talagang alam mo na talagang kaya kong magturo.
Yeah, actually, kasi before, ito lang, kaya ako nagturo before, hindi naman ako magaling kaagad na nagturo ako. Before, kasi sa church namin, nag-disciple din ako to follow Jesus. So, sabi ng leader ko, mag-disciple ka na, magturo ka na about biblical concept. But I'm not ready. I'm not a full, makaka-discover ko nga lang ng church na to and all of that. You know what my leader told me? Just be one chapter ahead. If alam mo yung support and resistance at na-master mo yung support resistance, you can teach that to another person. Diba? If that person values your time, then he can pay you. If you want to accept that payment, yes, you're just one chapter ahead. Nakaka-add value ka eh. So, second, siguro my credentials is years of experience. I've been in the industry for how many years? Portfolio that I can show. Yung pinagdaanan ko na makaka-relate ka na I'm a nurse by profession. Oh, I'm a nurse by profession, pero I'm now a full-time trader. Yung gano'n, how did I transition from that? So, siguro yun yung mga value. It's not always about you need to, ito kung mag-aaral ako ng todo, na magmamatician ako, tapos magpapakagaling ako sa social securities, who can relate to me? Kung masyadong malalim. Diba? I just need to be one chapter ahead. So, if gusto mo rin magturo in the future, just follow that principle.
How do you think trading can help our fellow Filipinos?
Yeah, that's sad kasi only 1% of the Filipinos who trade right now. And in other countries like Singapore, the reason their main business is fintech. So if we can replicate that, financial literacy is trading as well. Trading kasi hindi ka makakapasok trading agad kung wala ka savings. So trading is actually a stage wherein it can help Filipinos to create another source of income at the same time manage their expenses. So if people know trading, they can manage their expenses, they can manage their risk, and add additional income. And last but not the least, trading, even retired ka na, just like ang ate ko ngayon, is version retirement. Hindi niya alam ang gagawin niya. It's also a potential na nagtitrade siya while she's retired.
That's what I saw. Actually, marami tayong mga students here in LTA na parang they're soon to retire na. They're looking for another way to, of course, earn extra income kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na nag-retire ka na, ititigil na yung mga bills mo, di ba? So definitely, meron pa rin mga gastusin. And actually, trading could actually help you na magkaroon na extra income talaga mo, especially sa mga OFWs natin na nasa labas ng bansa. O na gusto talagang kumita ng dollars, di ba? Yeah.
While working in the Philippines.
Yeah, so, di ba? So talagang very much helpful to sa mga fellow Filipinos na rin. I hope talaga, matingnan nyo, makita nyo, ma-explore nyo din na talagang aralin nyo. Why not, di ba? Kasi wala namang mawawala. This is a skill na hindi mananakaw sa inyo, di ba? So, ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat, Coach Jan, for, of course, considering us na talaga, ma-consider naman pumunta ka dito. Syempre, maturuan yung ating mga fellow Filipinos na matuto ng trading. So, maraming salamat and I hope to see you very, very soon. And meron kami balang very soon na ipopromote din, of course, na ilo-launch here in LTA na talagang ma-utilize nyo rin kasi sobrang helpful nun sa mga ibang traders na talagang makasabay sa mga techniques na to kasi talagang ito
Newbie-friendly technique.
newbie. Kung newbie ka, baguhan ka sa trading, ito talaga yung makakatulong sa'yo kasi talagang sasabayan mo lang to. At the same time, natututo ka pa, di ba? Yun. So, yun. Soon, abangan nyo guys. Ipopromote natin yan. Tsaka magkakaroon tayo ng face-to-face classes na halos libre lang. Pupunta kayo dito. Di ba? Matututo na kayo kung paano kayo makakasabay sa mga trades ng shadow na yun. So, ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat, Coach. Bye!
Join our trading community and share trade ideas, market insights, and strategies.